ちは、皆さん、Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today, my friend and I will go to see a beautiful waterfall near my house. So, let's get started.
Here we are by the waterfall called Wordsworth Waterfall.
Nirmala, you have to show me. Okay, we're gonna go there, Nirmala?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So we're gonna go this way. Okay. I can hear the sound of water. Oh, nice. Look at that. Wow! Amazing waterfall! Wow, nice, Nirmala. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful waterfall.
Take the mask off! Take the mask off! Yeah, that's nice, Nirmala. Nice! Nice, Nirmala.
That's how the Bollywood movie they sing a song. Like
Okay. Now it's recording, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go.
Be careful. Let them go, Midori.
Hi, Midori, having fun.
Oh wow, look at that one.
Hi, Midori. It's nice over there.
Oh my God, they're gonna lose their saris there. Oh my God, I would never picture them. I would never.
Oh my goodness. Two dogs out there. Oh my goodness.
Somebody tired. Somebody get picked up.
This is a very famous milk company guide us, and we came here to eat ice cream, delicious ice cream after waterfall to see. So let's go get the ice cream. This is so cute. 私は、ピスタチオナッツを、オーダーします。I don't have cash, so she paid for me. I'm sorry, Nirmala. Nirmala.
Okay, let me eat, please.
Okay, go ahead. Eat it. Your favorite pistachio, right? Pistachio ice cream. How's it?
It's good, thank you.
Let me try. I'm gonna eat it too. Good. Hi everyone. How was the waterfall? It was so beautiful, right? So, if you like it, please subscribe and make a comment and click the like button. So, see you in the next video. Bye!